Government spends hundreds of billions of rand a year, and a huge slice of it is reserved for small businesses. If you've ever wanted a piece of that, this is your beginner's guide, the complete path to winning your first government tender, from zero. Here's why this matters. Government has to buy from private businesses, everything from cleaning and catering to construction and stationery, and it's pushed to spend a big share with small local suppliers. The work is there. Most people just don't know how to reach it. Step 1. Get your business ready. You need a registered company, a tax number, and you need to be tax compliant. Before you can win a cent of government work, you have to exist properly, on paper. This is the foundation everything else sits on. Step 2. Get onto the CSD, the Central Supplier Database. This is the master list government buys from. No CSD profile, no tenders, full stop. It's free, it's online, and it's non-negotiable. This is the single most important step. Step 3. Get your B-BBEE affidavit. On most tenders, your B-BBEE level earns you points. And for a small business, a simple, mostly free affidavit can give you a strong level. Skip it, and you're leaving points and contracts on the table. Step 4. Find the tenders. They're all published for free. Start with the national eTenders portal. Watch the government tender bulletin and follow the departments and municipalities you want to work with. New opportunities go up every week. Step 5. Read the tender properly twice. Every tender spells out the scope, the closing date, whether there's a compulsory briefing, and every document you must submit. Most bids are lost right here, by missing something the tender clearly asked for. Step 6. Put your bid together. Complete every form, attach every required document, fill in the pricing schedule exactly, and sign an initial where needed. Then submit it on time in the format they asked for. Complete and on time beats clever. A tip for beginners: start small and local. Bid for smaller contracts with your local municipality before you chase the giant national ones. Win a few, build a track record, and you become a supplier they trust and come back to. And here's the real secret. The businesses that win consistently aren't the cheapest. They're the ones who are always ready, registered, compliant, and complete every single time. Readiness beats luck. Being set up properly is most of the game. And that's exactly where we come in. At Smartbook, we get you fully tender ready. Your company, your tax compliance, your CSD, and your B-BBEE. So when the right tender appears, you can bid with confidence. Head to smartbookie.co.za and the link is in the description. So that's the path. Register, get on the CSD, get your B-BBEE, find the tenders and bid complete and on time. Start small, stay ready, and government contracts are absolutely within your reach. And if you'd like us to get you set up, that's what we do. Visit smartbookie.co.za or email hello@smartbookie.co.za. And if this helped, subscribe. It's the smart move.